Okay, OnePlus 11 series users, OnePlus is now rolling out OxygenOS 16.0.3.500 build, which is based on Feb update. But sadly, they did not improve anything over the last build. If you guys remember, we recently did a review, the in-depth review of OnePlus 11 series. And after this update, I thought to check out few things like battery backup, bugs and missing features. After all these things, we'll also talk about the changes what they have done with this latest update. So here I have my OnePlus 11. I've already updated the device to the latest build of OxygenOS, which is 16.0.3. And if I go towards the bottom side tapping on version, here you can see the version is 16.0.3.500 and the security patch is of 1st Feb 2026. Just 10 days before we reviewed 16.0.2 build for OnePlus 11 series, and in which I did mention about bugs and other stuff. And to properly test out this device guys, I completely formatted my device. You can see the storage is only 46 GB, and if you also see, I don't have much of applications because I thought the issues which I'm encountering maybe because I haven't factory reset the device after the update of OxygenOS 16. But that's not the case guys. It's the same story even if you factory reset your device. I had the screenshot of update size, but after updating I factory reset the device and the screenshot is no more available. So let me know in the comment section below what was the update size of this latest build. So first let's talk about the battery backup on this device. In a review video I mentioned I was getting around 5.5 hours to 6 hours of screen on time with the regular usage. And the same story goes over here also. So if I tap here and from here if I drag my finger, from the last charge and till here when I again started charging the device, the total screen on time was 5 hours and 36 minutes. And it's similar screen on time which I used to get on the previous build. After that, overnight battery drain, if you see, I left the device idle at 10:30 and in the morning 6:30 when I woke up, I checked the overnight battery drain which was 5%. Exactly same on the previous build also. I'll attach the video clippings towards the left hand side. And while charging, device gets heated up. In my testing wherein ambient temperature was somewhere around 26 degrees Celsius, the device temperature was around 38 degrees Celsius. So heating issues are not yet solved. Even with the regular usage, the OnePlus 11 heats up. And I was expecting OnePlus to fix it, but they haven't done it. And in my entire usage while talking about the battery backup, I had the similar settings which I used on the previous build. Resolution was set to standard, screen refresh rate was set to high. AOD was seamless, and the device setting were power saving, not all day. The same exact settings which I used on the previous build, though there are no changes in the battery backup. So if you are the one who wants to upgrade thinking that battery backup will be good on this latest build, no guys, it's the exactly same. And while recording the video, the color shifting issues has still not been fixed, and this issue is from OxygenOS 15. Till date, OnePlus haven't considered fixing this small issue. I don't know when they are going to fix it. And the micro jitter issues are still there while using the device. They are not completely fixed and it's in the entire UI. Somewhere or the other, you'll feel those jitters while scrolling around the UI. And guys, if you're thinking you'll get the bypass charging feature, then guys, that feature is not coming on OnePlus 11 series. Even after the update of OxygenOS 16.0.3, they haven't added that feature, so do not expect it with upcoming updates. And guys, I also saw few comments wherein users were saying that spatial audio feature is not working. But I personally tested out on my OnePlus 11, the spatial audio feature works perfectly fine. So if I go to sound settings, here you can see I've connected my OnePlus Buds Pro 3 and spatial audio function is actually working great. So there are no issues on this particular build related to spatial audio. And at last, let's talk about the changelogs. So here you can see we have few changes, two of them under Delight in Details, which says improve categorization in app drawer by adding Office and Finance category. So here I don't have any Office account and few users have confirmed that after adding Office account, you have a proper categorization of Office and for the Finance also. Then they're talking about the Feb security patch and then they have done few changes related to Private Safe. So let's talk about Private Safe now. And in the Private Safe, first change is now you can access files from the smart sidebar. By default, you won't get the option over here. So let me tap on edit. And if I search for Private Safe, you can see we don't have any option. To get that shortcut over here, first you need to add the Private Safe icon on the home screen. By going to settings, here we have an option called home screen icon. Just add here. Now if you go to the home screen and if you open smart sidebar, tapping on edit, search for Private Safe, you can see now we have the Private Safe option being added here. And if you delete the shortcut from the home screen, that thing will also be removed from the smart sidebar. There you can see. If I even search, it won't be there. So this is one change what they have done in the Private Safe. After that, they have given an option to search the files directly from the main home page. And the last change is now you have the option to share files directly from the Private Safe without unlocking those files. So guys, these are all the changes what you'll see with the latest update of OxygenOS 16 for OnePlus 11 series, and sadly they haven't made any kind of changes or you can say improvements with this newer update. So if you're getting good battery backup on the previous build, stay on that. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.